Hello guys, in this guide I'll show you how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your MacBook using a USB cable. The process is simple and only takes a few steps. First, connect your iPhone to your MacBook using your Lightning or USB-C charging cable, depending on your iPhone model. Once the devices are connected, your iPhone may display an allow prompt. Tap allow to continue. Next, if a trust this computer message appears on your iPhone, tap trust and enter your iPhone passcode to confirm the connection. Now, switch to your MacBook and open Finder. In the Finder sidebar, click on your iPhone. After a few moments, your iPhone data will appear on the screen. Browse through your photos and videos until you find the files you want to transfer. To copy a single photo or video, select the file and click download. If you want to transfer multiple files at once, hold the command key while selecting multiple photos or videos. Then click download to save all the selected files together. After the download is complete, open Finder and navigate to Macintosh HD, then User and Pictures. You'll find the downloaded photos and videos inside the Pictures folder. That's all you need to do. Your photos and videos have now been successfully transferred from your iPhone to your MacBook using a USB cable. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.